Hello everyone. Welcome back to Alphazan's Tech. Today I have an excellent job opportunity from Amazon that is open for graduates looking to start or grow their careers with one of the world's leading companies. So watch this video till the end because I will explain the eligibility criteria, job role, locations, required skills, and application process. Let's get started. Amazon is currently hiring for the position of Quality Associate under its Last Mile Analytics and Quality team. This role is available in Bangalore and Hyderabad, and it is a work from office opportunity. Now let's talk about the role. As a Quality Associate, you will support Amazon's transportation and delivery operations. Your responsibilities include address resolution, geocode correction, map edits, driver support, static route management, and other operational activities that help improve customer delivery experience. You will also perform manual audits using Amazon's internal tools, investigate images and videos, analyze customer interactions, identify process improvements, and maintain operational records. This role requires strong analytical thinking, attention to detail, and the ability to work on multiple tasks simultaneously. Coming to eligibility criteria. Candidates must have a bachelor's degree. You should have good English communication skills, including reading, writing, and speaking. Amazon is looking for candidates who can communicate effectively with managers and team members. Preferred skills include knowledge of Microsoft Office applications, especially Excel. Candidates with knowledge of SQL will have an added advantage. Now let's discuss the work environment. This is a rotational shift role operating in a 24/7 environment. Employees will work a 5-day work week with 2 consecutive rotational weekly offs. Candidates should be comfortable working in rotational shifts and adapting to business requirements. During the application process, Amazon will ask for details such as your educational qualifications, work experience, address information, PAN card details, Aadhaar details, and resume. Make sure all information entered is accurate and matches your official documents. You should also have an updated resume and a professional photograph ready before applying. One important point to remember is that Amazon never charges any application fee or security deposit for recruitment. If anyone asks for money in exchange for a job offer, it is likely a scam. Always apply through official channels only. Now let's quickly summarize. Company: Amazon. Role: Quality Associate. Qualification: Bachelor's degree. Location: Bangalore and Hyderabad. Work mode: Work from office. Preferred skills: MS Excel and SQL. Shift: Rotational. Experience: Freshers and eligible graduates can apply. If you are interested in building your career with Amazon, this is definitely an opportunity worth applying for. The apply link is available in the description below. Also check out our latest jobs playlist for more hiring updates from top companies. If this video was helpful, please like the video, share it with your friends and college groups, and subscribe to the channel. Follow at Alphazans_Tech for daily job updates, off-campus drives, interview experiences, and assessment updates. Comment below if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next job update video.